It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Friday, the 25th of September. I'm Michael Groff. Dry conditions and temperatures well above average once again today here in the valley, but a gradual lowering of the afternoon highs will start to take place as we head into the weekend and next week, although readings are still expected to stay a bit above average. When might we finally get some rain, and how long are these triple-digit temps going to hold on? Well, we'll talk about it, but before we do, it is Friday, so that means it's Photo Friday here, where we take a look at some of the photos and or videos that you guys have submitted of Mother Nature, weather in action from across the valley or around the state of Arizona. This first picture comes from David. This is from the West Valley on Tuesday morning of some of the very light rain or the virga that was coming down at that time. And yes, some of you did actually see just a little bit of rain Tuesday and even a clap of thunder or two, but most of us did not. And then these next pictures are courtesy of Chris Martin. These were taken in Ash Fork, and it's a glorious time to be up in central or northern Arizona's high country. You get those crisp overnight lows, the pleasant afternoons with a gentle breeze, and skies that look like this. Doesn't get much better than that. And as always, I thank everybody for sending in their submissions for Photo Friday. If you want to get in, groffshow@gmail.com is my email address. That is groffshow, Groff show @gmail.com for Photo Friday. All right, let's get into it. First, we'll look at the almanac from yesterday. 106 degrees, the afternoon high, just missing that record of 108 from 2002. The morning low, 77. The normal high now down to 97. The normal low, 74. Outside now here just before 8 o'clock, mostly clear sky out there, pretty good visibility, looking at 81 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 45, relative humidity 28%, the winds are light, and the barometer 29.88 inches and rising. Temperatures around the area right now, 60 the cool spot at Fort McDowell, 64 Goldfield, 69 at Granite Reef Dam and Gilbert, most locations around the metro in the 70s to about 80. The upper air look this morning, the westerlies remain well up to the north, a flat ridge in control here across the southwest, and that's going to keep us hot and dry again today. Here's the watch warning map. It looks very similar to many other days. Still have some red flag warnings, wind advisories, high wind watches and warnings across parts of the Intermountain West, the air quality alerts over the valleys of California where the wildfires continue. Convective outlook for today, a slight risk of severe storms in parts of Wisconsin and upper Michigan, and a little marginal risk over the Carolinas. And looking at precipitation, valid through next Friday morning from the WPC. No rain in the valley, nothing statewide, nothing region-wide. The dry weather pattern continues, one that we will detail now as we dive into modeling. Here we go, the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. A flat ridge here across the southwest, a dry westerly flow aloft. So down at the surface, sunny skies and hot once again today. Highs 102 to 105. Tonight, clear sky, dry air, lows in the 70s. Tomorrow, sunny, highs 101 to 104. Now, as we get to Sunday and moving forward from this point, we're going to start to see a deep trough diving into the central and eastern parts of the country while a big ridge builds out here in the west. The difference from previous days' forecasts is that we're looking at a pattern that's shifting a little bit further to the west. The trough is a little further west. The axis of the ridge or the core of the heat is further to the west, which means Arizona is out of the bullseye for the potential of record heat. So high temperatures will actually trend down a little further on Sunday and Monday. We're looking at highs somewhere between 99 and 102. On Tuesday, highs might only be 97 to 100, which is still a little bit above average, but not by much. And those overnight lows could drop in the 60s in most locations, maybe low 70s in the urban core. Even on Wednesday and Thursday, we might tack on a degree to the afternoon highs, but that's about it. The only bad news here is that conditions will remain very dry. Here we go to a week from today. This is Friday, the 2nd of October. Big trough in the North Pacific and a huge trough in the east, bringing down a big blast of fall air as this high amplitude pattern continues. Here in the west, yes, high pressure is in control, but notice we don't see that 591 or 594 contour on the board anymore. And hopefully we don't see that the rest of the year. Just a 588 ridge to our north and west. So that's manageable heat. Afternoon highs close to the century mark. Overnight lows in the 60s and low 70s. Let's go out 10 days. This is Sunday, the 4th of October. A gradual de-amplification of the pattern here across North America. Our 588 ridge is still in control here across the southwest, but beginning to flatten out somewhat. So there could be a light at the end of the tunnel for that triple-digit heat. Finally. All right, let's go take a look at precipitation here off the European ensemble, and most of the 51 members show absolutely no rain at all around here for the next couple of weeks. No surprise there. And temperatures off the national blend of models, and the trend is down. And keep in mind what you're looking at here is Phoenix Sky Harbor Airport. This is the urban core with overnight lows in the low 70s. Many spots are going to be down in the 60s, so finally just a little hint, a taste of fall in the air. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here on Monday morning. Updates before that if necessary. If you enjoy these videos, and you know what, even if you don't, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions, always encouraged as well. I thank you so much for watching. You guys be safe, stay cool and hydrated out there. Watch yourselves, your kids, each other around the pool, and have yourselves a great Friday and a wonderful weekend.